Hello, ma. Hello, ma. Welcome. Oh, I've been waiting here for almost like 5 hours now. Hope everything is fine.
Yeah, everything is fine.
So the car you requested for, this is the car. If you can see, if you check the interior, please can you come this way, please? If you check the interior, everything is nice. You see this one now? Please come check this. This is not rubber. This alloy. Yes, this alloy.
Alloy.
Yes. This alloy, you know. If you come to the front elevation, you can see everything is nice, you know. Yes. See, just check your sound. You see, if it's like this, meaning it's correct car.
If you do coco,
If you do coco, they don't give you po.
they don't give me po.
Yes, no, the car don't spoil. So please, you can come this side, please.
Okay.
Come this side. So wait, let me, sometimes now, for people to know that I'm giving you correct car,
Okay.
let me first park the car so that you know that from my hand, I sparked the car and you saw that I sparked the car. Everything is JJ. So please stand here, please. Let me. Okay. You can see, ma, everything is correct. It's parking.
Okay.
The sound is good. Is the sound good for you?
Yes.
Yes. When you spark a car and the car is going, meaning it's correct car.
It's going.
Meaning it's correct car, everything is fine.
Okay.
Air condition, everything is fine. Yes. So please, I'm handing the key to you.
I'm so happy.
This is the. Oh, have you made the payment yet?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is your papers.
Okay.
You can spark your car now.
Wait.
Oh no, just I'm here with you. I should spark the car now. I'll be on my way. I have to attend to other clients.
All right. Bia, Kadila, come. Kadila.
Ma, are you talking to me, ma? Are you talking to me, ma?
Hey! I'm one more.
I don't finish my work. What you consign me? What a bomb.
Come off this noisy.
Huh?
Come off this noisy.
I should off the noise. How? I don't understand, ma. At this moment, I can't touch your car. I can't hold the key. I've handed over your car document to you. You have paid. I'm done with you, ma. I'm done with you.
You are done with me?
Yes.
You never know who I be. If I remove cap for you, you go regret your life. You like that? I need better car. I go there inside car. I get down. I know they even they see fraud. You not customize them. I tell you, say customize car. You carry car when is it my fault? Is it my fault?
What a bombshell. What a bombshell.
Push it okay. That bomb shit okay. You got born okay.
Ma, wait, it seems like you have attitude. No, it's not attitude.
I know where no, they don't tell you.
No, wait, ma, I sparked the car to in front of you. I sparked the car.
You spark them. Now your face I go spark.
No, please. This one, if you go anywhere now, they will tell you that what you are saying is wrong. Oh. I sparked the car for you. You have done your payment. I've handed your car to you. Why are you attacking me? Imagine. No, don't embarrass me like that. Don't embarrass me like that.
Hey,
Solodo, the car Solodo is driving. Now me stop for him.
I don't enter one chance. What you come carry me?
Hello, madam. Hello. What did happen here? Why would they raise my voice?
Chief, good afternoon.
Afternoon, my
See me see wahala. I order cow. This man carry a quackery cow for me. I tell her say the waiting they best me. Customize car, he carry car when we say I go there down. I'm not even they see the front.
The car.
You know they move. They say
Okay, waiting happen.
Brother,
My brother.
I'm a car dealer.
Oh, dealer.
I sell cars. Even Solodo, the car Solodo is driving. I mean, sell for him.
You get your body, see your clothes.
You understand? I'm not a small person.
I know.
That I will give a car to somebody that I don't know. I first bought the car. I made you check the car. First of all, I entered the car, sparked the car because I know what woman being.
It started.
You understand? Everything started. The car went. Okay. You understand? What the mom said. And I said, please, man, I'm handing over your car document to you. You have made
officially.
Officially.
Beautiful.
I handed your car key for you. Some people now they go do you for 419. You don't go see your car.
See your car.
You don't go see your document.
That was what they did to me. But you're okay. She said this is the car.
This is the car.
Who they buy the car from?
I see.
Small picking like Nana I look well. Nana I look well. She say the height na small picking mana. Anyway, what it can happen now? Be say the car do it starts when you dey hear the car start.
If they do kokoko, you know they move. And besides, I did that, you know even customize and come.
No be him go do am. Now him be Oyibo. Him be Oyibo.
Mom.
Him be Oyibo. If you say you want buy car, if you just go buy this walker. This thing where children they take move. Take and they manage. Since then a car you buy. Now waiting down, but the time when you give and the car, the thing spark.
The spin spark.
Hey, you don't pay. You don't say car now. What did they have?
I don't wonder.
Which one you dey my side, that be you dey inside?
I not feel there your side because when I dance I no go. What I'm trying to say is that since you dey here, put the car, you do kukukum, come off. Now be say you don't buy motor, be say you don't buy motor. SS Grace. Now you dey here now. So enter your
madam,
car. All right, my brother, I'm going to take care.
Hey, come back. Hey.
Madam.
Okay, come now. Why they do like this?
Madam, you don't hold men like that for our state.
No.
You cannot hold men like that.
Okay, now you bad the parcel. Now you they spoil this man.
Me.
Okay, if they carry car when they move,
Okay,
come for you, you go like
see you later.
All right, I'm going to buy. See you.
Okay, you don't buy market too. Where you they go? Where you think say you they carry your back on the treasure they go?
Wait, you hold me for
I
clothes.
know how you. Now bite your clothes. You don't buy market.
Go ask us.
Come move my car.
Now can I mean a road like the
Okay, come move my car now. Which kind of problem I go enter? Why you come involve yourself in
You
my
go pay
matter?
money for another person will come move your.
Okay, who make am go? Now you now. Your mate is their lawyer. Go to they do better lawyer. You they who position. They do like lawyer. Okay, I beg you don't buy market. Give me my money for my car. Or you make the car to start for me.
Yeah, come bring the key.
That one you go talk. Last time you know go carry this your red cap. They put my car for me.
Where the engine dey?
Ginger. I know.
Wait. You buy motor, they not show you where engine dey.
Hey.
Give February come 1 hour.
Okay, when you they put marks, you don't know this thing.
Wait on, wait. One. See you. What a bombshell. What a bombshell. The water don't bomb the shell. This is pure business. Business talk Atayanachi.
I'm telling you.
Sweet business.
I sold that car for 50 million.
I know. I'm telling you. And I said we're gonna sell them. This year only one car, we're gonna sell them to almost all the community.
As I saw the woman, I said, I don't hammer. You know, as I'm talking to you now, the juice socks of the car will not work. I'm telling you.
This kind of motor, they call a motor mixture. One of our brothers take and sing song. Motor mixture.
Ask me the mileage of the car. Almost 50 million.
I beg my account today or WhatsApp.
Jesus.
Just transfer my
I go
own.
send you tomorrow.
You see this?
Let's say you say you dey owe me.
Which one? Waiting come bring no go scatter this.
No, you dey owe me now.
We owe you waiting. Anything why they owe you now na slap.
No, you dey owe me now. You dey owe me. The last car we sold now. You dey owe me. So you don't square now.
Oh, you wait. Who bring the tire where they put for the car? You don't forget. Say now my tire can't carry put. No be there we take counterbalance. Look at you. Don't forget.
No. I can't give you the money, because you don't.
Wait. You see as we dey laugh now. You don't dey sweet us. You then they sweet us. If they pain them, very soon they will catch us. Because the last day of everything is very, very important in human life.
What does that mean? That you cast us or what?
No, not beside go cast us. Anything we get beginning, they get end. We don't they do them now, they sweet us.
So
One day.
in the beginning it started nice. If the ending will start bad, let it start bad, because you don't owe me. You know they owe me. You don't owe me, so you don't square. The last car we sold, you didn't give me my money. This one I have sold this car now. Hey, I've gotten your money, so you don't square now. I can't be like say they do you something bad. You know square. Don't they do that thing?
Wait.
Don't they do that?
What are you trying to say now? You are going to eat the money.
I don't eat the money now. I don't square now.
Okay, which date you go want for your funeral? Which date? Give me date of your funeral. Let me start printing poster before your death, because I am not saying at this time around this money now I ain't gonna put you for 6 feet. No, try me. Person go there, keep quiet. You go be like say the person is a
Send your account. Send your account.
You there your WhatsApp already. Nice doing business with you.